Okay, for today let's start. We're going to install the Rottweiler air intake system. Here is the crankcase breather. I've ordered this option too. I've printed the instructions from the Rottweiler webpage. If you do this yourself and you get the Rottweiler parts, get the instructions. So let's have a look. What do we have inside the packages? Inside we have the filter. We're having a zip tie. There's this one. We'll get to this later. And we have like a hose clamp for the air filter. Then we have the intake system. Stickers. Always good to have stickers. There's the hose for the intake. This part, we have a bag with screws, and there's an O-ring or sealing. There's the filter itself. I guess there's more hidden inside. There's the plate, some more instructions. Here's the connection for the hose. Yeah, should be pretty straightforward. The instructions, I've already checked the instructions. The instructions look easy. So let's do this. Okay, as far as I've seen, the only thing we will use again from the old air intake or airbox is the fuel temperature sensor. And if I'm right, I think this one's going back on the bike too. I have to check this, but those are not needed for the air intake. For now, we just need this guy. Insert longer of the 4-6mm stainless button head bolts through from the top of the plate to the bottom. What do we want to tell? See if I can find a picture, because there are... I'm German, you know? So, those. Number 1, number 2. The washers are having some gripping tabs. And the gripping tabs are located on just one side of the washer, and they have to go towards the plate. This is why you have to read the instructions first. We skip the 690 part and go on with locate the parts shown below, thread the male female screw into the outside of the frame bracket. All these guys. This goes to the bike. We'll skip this part for now and first install all of these, and then I will take the camera over to the bike and install this. Then we need the bigger of the O-rings. There it is. And install it to the tapered side of the velocity stack. There you go. Ha! Gotcha. Okay. Then from here on, we will install this into here. Okay, line this with the holes, turn it around, and insert smaller screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Whoa. Okay, and then there's a trick to turn it around. It's you hold this, you twist it a little bit. They should stay inside. No, they do not. This trick is not working. This trick is from the Rottweiler website, so this isn't working for me, but doesn't matter. add the nuts. And here we go. Now we can turn it around again, or we don't even have to. I've got to bring a fitting nut. Just a second. Bring them all. 5 does not fit. 6 is too big. Is there a 5.5? There's a 5.5. It's not a perfect fit. This is weird. Well, the 5.5 fits more or less. Okay, there's another thing here. I always hear people say when you have screws to tighten in a circular formation, you always start with one, then go to the opposite side, and then here, so you get them fixed evenly. Here, they say you shall tighten them in a circular pattern, so start here, next. I guess this has to do with the O-ring, but I'm not sure. If you know more than me, let me know in the comments. Okay, nice and secure, tighten, that's it. Then locate the two 5x12mm locking bolts and the one small black O-ring. 5x12 are these guys. I guess those are for the temperature sensor. Yes, they are. Turn it around again. The temperature sensor goes in here and don't need the old screws anymore. The O-ring, they say, is a replacement one, but mine is still here and it's fine because my bike is brand new, so no need for the O-ring. Just want to know there's the security pin for the connector, and on pictures it looks like this has to face outside. And here we go. Installed. Usually the hose for the crankcase breather goes in here, but as we have opted for this one, we need to attach this here, and this goes in here, and then we have this. Not possible to do this by hand. No. God damn it. Down. And there we go. Okay. Yeah, no problem. This can be done easily by hand. Thought it's stronger, but super safe and secure. Nope, this will not go anywhere. Locate the silicone intake tube and install to the velocity stack with one hose clamp. Note, elbows are now black for 690 Enduros and blue for 701s. Orientation does not matter. Does not matter. Okay. Doesn't matter if this side or this side, but it has to face this direction. So let's see. We have to loosen them. Okay. Okay, yeah, now I'm doing bullshit again. I should definitely use an 8mm nut here and not a screwdriver. So I think now we're going to install this on the bike. Okay, first of all we will install this bad boy here. I've skipped this part before. We have to use these small screws to put them through the holes here on the inside, and there's not enough clearance, so I have to take the clips off. Yeah, this goes in here. Now comes the tricky part. You have to get the screw in here and get it with the 3mm Allen key on this side. It's tricky, but not impossible. Okay. Problem number one. There we go. Okay, I'm not sure about the angle of this one. They say tighten it in the instructions, but I'll leave this loose and tighten it later. So next we're taking out those two bad boys here. Number one, two. Need a bit of clearance to get the intake in there, I guess. Okay, now, yeah, this is easy. Fits perfectly. Then we need to put the clamp down, tighten it from the other side. Then those screws go inside here, and this is the reason why I did not tighten those, because now I can easily mount this ones. We need another two nuts going down here. Okay, now normally I would take the right tool to hold them here and fix them. In the instructions they say fix them. Don't over tighten them, because there's this plastic washer between. We don't want to break them. Before we would align this one, we would align this one here in the compartment for the electronic stuff. I will not do this now, because I have a lot of electrical stuff to connect, and this will be in the way. But I will show you what I should do next. This would be the final installation. Holes will be tightened. Then I would tighten the clamp down here on the hose. Here is the connector for the temperature sensor. This would have made sense to connect this first and then install the plate. My bad. Well, I'm taking it off anyways. And yeah, last but not least, I would tighten those two guys, put the clamps back in, and install the filter, and that's it, I guess. Yeah, I will install the filter. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's easy when you do it from this side. Gotcha. Number one. Number two. This looks a bit loose, of course, because I did not tighten it, as I said, because I have to take it off again. But this is more or less how the final installation would look like. Okay, so let's do a little conclusion. In the end, this took me longer than expected. Most of all because I haven't prepared the right tools, I haven't read the instructions carefully enough as I should have. This is always my big problems. I'm reading instructions and I'm reading every second sentence because I'm always like, I can do this, this is easy. I have to work on this. But in the end, really, it wasn't hard. If you follow the instructions, you can easily do this yourself. So next video will be about, I'm not sure, either I'm installing the Scott steering dampener with the BRP vibration dampener or the electronic parts. I'm not sure. For today, I hope you enjoyed this video a little bit. It was longer than expected. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to get notified when the next one is coming out. Yeah, that's it. See you next time.